Hey salon leaders, ready to master the emotional customer journey in your salon? Then follow us. For your clients, a hair service is more than just cutting and color techniques. It is experiencing positive feelings from start to finish. How? By creating seamless, memorable moments based on human connection and personalized services. Discover valuable behavioral strategies to meet the new retail context and the evolving customer expectations. Join us at our next Salon Emotion training to educate your team and create a new world of opportunities for your hairdressing business and master the 8 key steps of today's salon customer journey. 1. Make your salon attractive. 2. Welcome your customers into your universe. 3. Guide them through their hair experience and needs. 4. Create a relaxing moment. 5. Reveal their beauty. 6. Empower your customers. 7. Care for their daily experience. 8. Make your salon a place to remember. And that's not all. Elevate every visit with key insights on inspiring with retail innovations and beauty tech. Offering online and in-salon solutions. Embracing sustainability for your clients and your team's well-being, as well as your business. Kickstart your salon revolution and secure your spot for Salon Emotion now at L'OrealAccess.com or consult with your L'Oreal business partner.